Long donation forms can feel like a wall of fields. Charitable Pro lets you break yours into short, guided steps. Let me show you how. In the Campaign Builder, open the Form tab and go to Form Options. First, make sure Enable Visual Form is on. That is what tells Charitable to use your custom form instead of the standard one. Now pick a form type. Blank starts from scratch, single keeps everything on one page, and multi-step breaks the form into a guided sequence. Choose multi-step form and confirm when Charitable warns it will reset your fields to a clean default. Now the Form Steps bar appears across the top. Click Add Step to create as many steps as you need. Give each one a clear name like your gift, your details, and payment. You can reorder or remove steps anytime. Here are our 3 steps, each holding its own fields. Your gift has the donation amount, your details collects the donor's information, and payment always comes last, so donors enter their card only at the very end. You can add a field to any step. Open Add Field and drop a single text field into your details to ask for a company name. And when you select the payment field, you choose exactly which gateways appear, turning Stripe or offline donations on or off for this form. 2 panels control the look. Visual Style sets your label position, the theme spacing, base for compact or spaced for roomy, and the Donate button's alignment, label, and color. Multi-form Options shapes the steps, with step titles, a progress bar, and where the next and previous buttons sit. Let us start with a clean, compact look. Here is the live form. It opens on the first step with a progress bar up top. Next moves the donor forward, previous takes them back, and each step checks its required fields before continuing. Back in the builder, switch the progress bar to dots and give the form more room with the space theme. Save and open the live page. The same 3 steps now feel lighter and more modern, with dots marking the donor's progress. One more pass. This time, turn the progress bar off completely and hide the step titles for a clean, minimal form. Save one last time and open the page. Same 3 steps, 3 completely different looks, all from a handful of settings in the builder. So when should you reach for a multi-step form? They shine when your form is long, because breaking it into steps feels less overwhelming and can lift your completion rate. They guide donors one focused decision at a time, and they keep payment on the final step. But they are not always the answer. If your form is short, just an amount and a card, a single step form is faster and simpler. Match the form to the ask. That is multi-step donation forms in Charitable Pro. For more tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.